This is Lake Simcoe, and I'm gonna make some coffee. Hey guys, a little bit raining today, so it's not gonna be a long ride or something. It's gonna be a short ride. This is how it looks like. Okay, whatever. Just a quick stop, and I need to decide where to go next. I believe I should go north because it's raining. It was just a quick stop here, just to check the map, basically. I found a beautiful spot, people. Yeah, look at that. Isn't it cool? Sorry about the noise, it's a little bit windy in here, but the spot is really cool. Just look at those waves. This is Lake Simcoe, and I'm gonna make some coffee. Those waves, right? Beautiful. All my stuff is already here, ready for preparing, for brewing some coffee. It's windy today. Yeah, the water is really warm. I think it's 25 or something degrees Celsius. I got a little wet, but it's nothing.